In a particular ethnic group, the percent of women who fall into each of the four weight categories is as follows. Underweight is 10% or 0.10. Normal weight is 0.43. Overweight is 0.23. And assuming that this is a legitimate probability distribution, we need to figure out the percent of women who are in the obese category. So what is a legitimate probability distribution? So number one, all outcomes are listed. And what are the outcomes here? Underweight, normal weight, overweight, obese. So these are the four weight categories. So if you had to write down the sample space, it would be underweight, normal weight, overweight, obese. So those are the four outcomes, and they're all possible outcomes are listed. The second is all associated or corresponding probabilities are listed. And the probabilities are between 0 and 1. And finally, all probabilities add up to 1. So this is what we're going to use in order to calculate the probability of or the percent of women that are obese, or the probability of selecting a woman who is obese. So we have 0.10 plus 0.43 plus 0.23. Let's add these up. So that would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 0.76. And since all probabilities have to add up to 1, 1 minus 0.76, which is equal to 0.24, is the probability that 0.24 is the probability that a randomly chosen woman in this ethnic group is obese, or the percent of women who are obese is 24%.